I just had my top 2 worst flight ever. My ears almost died. Christopher's ears almost died. Everybody's ears done almost died. But we're here. We're trying to figure out how to get to our next Airbnb. And we're about to have a good time. Last night was rough. We got home at like 6 a.m. you know, but we had fun. So that was really, really good. And yeah, let me go before I get lost. But there's such a cute Pokemon store I want to show you guys. I wish it was a Naruto store.
Keep playing Pokemon Go right in front of it.
I know.
Oh, the boy in there is cute as hell.
You trying to go in right now or what? Morning friends, this is our first official day in Osaka and I'm about to be hit by a car because the thing is turning. But yeah, we're headed to breakfast right now and then we will drop Adam off to go get his massive new body art piece, aka a tattoo. And then I think we're going to Nara because I kind of want to see the deer. That could be fun. I'm also going to try to go to the Four Seasons to go see the Tatcha spa that they have there. So stay tuned for fun. Gee guys, we're in Nara and they just have the deers everywhere. Like, they're so cute. And we got little crackers to feed them at some point.
Too much though, because they're gonna
yeah. Oh,
put in your pocket.
My bad, dude. I didn't mean to tease you.
Put in your pocket.
What if they attack my pocket? So cute. Hi, friend. Hey, calm down. Look, I'm giving it to you. Oh my God, you did it bite my finger? No. This one has taken all the food from the baby one. Okay, no more. That's it. Comprendo? Good. I got no more. Thanks. Look, guys, a wedding. And the deer are stalking her. having dinner. I'm having soba. What are these? Soba noodles for the first time. This looks pretty interesting. Let's see what happens. We are headed to Kyoto today. We just had breakfast.
Shit.
It was great. I had a little BLT thing, super cute. And this wind is about to take my damn wig off. No problem, no biggie. But yeah, that's what we're about to do today. We're gonna walk through this really cute little walkway. It's so nice here, but this weather though, y'all, like, it's been cold. But yeah, that's it. Yesterday was really good, but we ended up staying in because we just fell asleep, honestly. So tonight we're about to shake it up on the town.
So what you're saying is it's not enough. Just write it off like a prescription drug. You've been fussing how we never touch, but who can bother with this kind of fussing when we've been walking this blind? Frustrated, outdated, what's on your mind? Drove for this time, all on the line. Try trading me places, what would you find? When we've been walking this blind, frustrated, outdated, what's on your mind? So what you're saying is it's not enough. Just write it off like a prescription drug.
Guys, look at this view. We have come just off the little path to this little shrine up here. Super, super cute, right? Nature.
So what you're saying is it's not enough. Just write it off like a prescription drug. So what you're saying is it's not enough. Just write it off like a prescription drug. Prescription drug. Listen, when we've been walking this blind, frustrated, outdated, what's on your mind? Drove for this time, all on the line. Try trading me places, what would you find? When we've been walking this blind, frustrated, outdated, what's on your mind? So what you're saying is it's not enough. Just write it off like a prescription drug.
Y'all, it is cold. I got 3 layers on, but I'm also a little wine drunk. You know, we're about to go to Dotonbori to go out for dinner. It's like 10, almost 11 p.m. honestly, but they close at 3 a.m. So fuck it.
Sure.
Guys, say hi.
Hi. Konnichiwa.
Hi.
Oh, Miriam, you close up, sis.
What's horrible?
No, I said I'm just a hoe.
I don't know. I'm pretty sure I fucked more people than you have, bitch.
I know. I'm so upset.
A lot more.
That's so
I
upsetting.
really was a slut in college. I really was. You hate to see it.
You hate to see it.
So what you saying is it's not enough. Just write it off like a prescription drug. So what you saying is it's not enough.
I'm mad, real mad, Joe Jackson.
Ooh, barbecue tonight, y'all. We firing up the grill. It's gonna be a good time. My good.
Okay.
Just write it off like a prescription drug.
Hello, beautiful people. Today is our last full day. This truck was so fucking rude. This is our last full day in Tokyo. We're going to the anime section, Akihabara, something like that. Don't quote me, I don't speak Japanese. But yeah, I really want to get some fun anime stuff. I'm looking for a hoodie. Hopefully it's Naruto based. I love Naruto. And then I need to find a shirt for my friend Stefan and get all my souvenirs and stuff. But this is my outfit for today. I'm wearing a dress with sneakers. Best decision ever. These sneakers have been amazing. I think they were the best purchase that I made for the entire trip because they've just come in so clutch, so cute, love them. But yeah, we're just getting breakfast right now and then seeing where the day takes us. We're gonna go out tonight, all that good stuff. I'm super excited and very happy with the way the trip went. So yeah, see y'all.
Has no patience, look at his face and in his eyes. He's been way bound to the die. Always taking chances, all those conversations. Don't know if I'll make it, don't know why he even tries. Say, oh, I am a believer. Oh, don't know how I'll be if I'm not free to take a lead. Oh, I am a believer. Oh, ground beneath my feet, but I don't flee.
Going to the sky tree. Hopefully we get a really good view of the city so I can show you guys.
Cause I believe I'll stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground.
OMG, guys, look, they have a Kirby cafe. Sorry. It's so cute. And there's the sky tree. We're about to go up right now, baby. And I got all my like souvenirs. Found this cute little store. Got everything I needed, baby. All right, y'all ready to roll?
Brown. Stay down to the dancing, oh, dancing, oh, dancing, they all make, oh, dancing, oh, dancing, oh, dancing, oh, dancing, they all make, oh, dancing, stay down to the dancing, 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 they all dancing, dancing, stay down to the ground. Say, oh, I am a believer. Oh, don't know how I'll be if I'm not free to take a lead. Oh, I am a believer.
Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, we found a Jump store, and Jump is the one who makes Naruto. Been looking for Naruto stuff all freaking day. I am so excited. I'm standing outside because I'm not allowed to take pictures. LOL.
Oh, ground beneath my feet, but I don't flee cause I believe I'll stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground, 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 ground. Stay down to the ground.
Here we go. Hey, we gonna get it? Oh shit! Damn!
No way.
That's very cold. I got brain freeze. I gag you. Yeah, I was like,
Oh my god, guys.
So you guys, it's like way too late tonight. So it's currently
It's
4:18 a.m.
It is. We gonna get Ichiran for the last time, and let me tell y'all, I got rich sauce, I got extra spiciness, I just got everything that I could get, because we're all also kind of very poor right now, because we just
out of money.
we're out.
I know again.
How much is it there?
Yeah.
The airport is like 1,200. So like we're all
We're gonna
hitchhiking.
stop at an ATM tomorrow and get our asses to the airport.
I'm also not eating breakfast, I guess.
No, not at all. I'm not eating breakfast till I get to Starbucks and they accept my card.
Ooh, I bought chips.
Fuck off. I didn't buy my chips.
I ate all the snacks I bought already.
We didn't buy our chips though. Did you buy the spicy chips? You can fuck off. Yeah, okay. Do you want to go to? We gotta go to like Donkey. But also 7-Eleven accepts cards.
Yeah, they do.
Okay, because I gotta buy these chips.
You can see the struggle happening before your eyes.
Oh my god.